Take your time. There you go.
Yes!
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 Yep.
You don't know how long I waited for this fish. Woo!
Let's do this. But there you go. See him. Oh! I gotta get a picture of that.
Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. Sometimes you just gotta.
Oh, jeez. There we go. Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful day here. It's April 17th, and I have the very distinct pleasure of guiding two people here. We got Julie and her husband Mike. They just moved down to Cape Coral last year, and they did a very awesome thing. Last year during the Blue Way tournament, they bid on my trip and actually won it. So all that money went to Kids for Cancer, and it's super cool that they bid on it, and they weren't even at the tournament. They did it all online, weren't even there. So that's super cool. So I'm very excited to take them out today. So we are out here at Pineland. We went to the south, right around little Jocelyn Island, or Jocelyn Key, whatever you want to call it. And we're fishing this little deep spot right now. Just kind of getting warmed up and catching a couple trout, ladyfish, and we'll go from there. Should be a beautiful day. Stick around. That might be a red. I don't think he knows he's hooked yet. No, it's a snook. It's a little snook. No, snook. Just a little snook. All right. I'm all wrapped up here. All right, snook number one. For me, anyway. Mike got a snook. And there you go. So let's see, we got incoming tide now. So that should help things. Mike's on fire. He got probably, I don't know, 15 trout, a bunch of ladyfish. He got a snook, he got a flounder. So he's doing really well. Julie, she got a snook, a trout, and she had a couple ladyfish. Pick up her bait and drop them. So we're gonna get her on a snook and a red. That's the goal. Nice. That's definitely a red. Red?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is one to keep if you want to keep one, Joel. If it makes it.
That is a nice redfish.
It was right up on the shore.
He was against the shoreline? Okay.
Right on the freaking shoreline.
He was underneath the mangrove.
Twice. Two different fish hit me right underneath that mangrove.
Okay.
That was fucking badass. That was badass.
Want me to net him?
Oh, God.
Yeah. Nice.
22.
Think?
I haven't caught one in a long time. It's hard for me to tell.
Bigger than 22.
23.
23. There's a snook. Absolutely. Let me get a picture of that. You just got a sheep's head?
He said he saw one.
I saw one, all right.
Want to dive mud on my face?
Nah. All right, ready? I'm gonna wait till the life jacket's out of the picture.
Good idea. Thanks, man.
This dude is on fire today. This is his third redfish. He's tough to film because he's always so far ahead of us. And he's quick to throw him back. But this is his third redfish. See if I can not get in his way. There you go. About the same size? Yeah?
Yeah.
That diesel minnow's been paying off for you.
Yeah, man. Not the same. So yes.
We're going to put you in timeout soon.
That's all right. I've been put there before. I've been put there before.
Nice.
That one might be a little better.
We can measure if you want.
This is just chunky. Gotta let them take it longer when they see him hit it.
Excellent.
Probably a red.
Let's get a quick picture. Yep.
That's awesome, Jewel. Big red, right?
I'm coming. Take your time. There you go.
Yes!
Yep.
Yes! Yes! You don't know how long I waited for this fish. Woo! Hell yeah.
Love it.
Hell yeah.
We will measure it.
Thank you. You might.
I told him we're going to have to put him in timeout.
I heard you say that. Might need you to get this hook.
Okay. There you go.
Yes. Oh, hello, beautiful fish.
Well, I'm here. Right against 22.5 with the pinch tail.
I'll take it.
Let's take a nice
Muddy
picture.
and everything. I'll take it.
You're wearing this one.
Jeez.
Nice.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes. That was a bucket list for me.
Nice.
That was a little bigger.
That's actually a little bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bigger. Pretty big, too.
So I'm being told the blue is they're eating crustaceans.
Oh, nice. They're eating what?
Crustaceans.
I believe it because the ones in Maryland and the Bay, oh my God, the blue are
Yeah.
incredible. It's
Yeah.
like your flag.
Yeah.
You got a picture, right?
Yep. Ooh, that is a nice trout.
Oh, look at it right there, too. They're everywhere.
Oh, yeah. There you go. That's a nice trout. Now this is our trout. A good sized trout. Come on. That was on the shrimp.
Nice.
No, I just blind cast. That's a decent trout.
Oh, my paddle tail's almost gonna fall off. I need a new plastic, bunny. I might need a new plastic. My tail's about to fall off.
This guy is 19.
Nice.
Nice little trout.
Yeah, can't complain about that.
Nope. Not at all. Probably another redfish.
Damn it.
Watch your lean. Yep.
Birds.
Ah,
We tried. Broke off. That was a nice redfish. I saw it. I tried. I couldn't get my hand to get in reverse.
Ah.
That's what I wanted to do, but I couldn't do it. Damn it.
There you go, there you go, there you go.
Yeah.
She got him. She got it. Yeah.
Come on. That's hers. Come on. Ah, you bitch! Got her.
There you go.
Yes!
Nicely done.
Yes! Mangrove wasn't getting me twice. Got a good one, Mike.
Oh yeah, that is a nice one. Oh, he took up too. Needlefish. You get the booby prize. You got the grippers if you need it.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Hell yeah!
Want to measure it?
Yeah.
No, that's a redfish. 24.
24, baby.
24.
Hell yeah.
Nicely done.
Mwah. Yes.
Oh, my job.
There's a little shark. Oh no, it's a redfish. I'm like, he's small. That's 2 on yours.
There you go. I did put one on too. Yeah. Awesome. Hey everybody, back at the truck. Got everything loaded up, ready to go. I want to thank Mike and Julie for coming out today. Fantastic day. Caught a lot of nice big fish. Couldn't ask for better fishing people. Mike is a lifelong fisherman. He was a commercial guy up in Maryland for many years. They owned their own lure company. I mean, these two were not novices. So it was nice to they have their own outbacks. So I didn't have to teach anything of that. So it was a real fun day, and I really appreciate them coming out. I appreciate them bidding on my trip at the tournament last year. All that money went to go help kids with cancer. So it is pretty cool. Had a great day. I'm very excited, and I think I just formed a great friendship with some people. So I'm very excited about that. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Please ring the notification bell. Please think about becoming a patron. I like to thank my patrons. And if you are looking for a guide here in Southwest Florida, please email me at fishin-dips1@gmail.com. Call or text me at 239-406-2722. We'll pick a date, we'll get you out here in the water and get you on a redfish or two. Until then, I'll see you out there.